Good morning, class. My name is Roel Silis Ligip, and our lesson for today is all about photosynthesis. Before we start our class, let's have an simple activity. This is called the jumble words. Please, class, be aware and let's help to create a new word in the jumble words to make these words correct. Okay? These jumble words have a clue in our lesson that is all about photosynthesis. Now, let's proceed to the jumble words number 1. Raise your right hand if you know the correct words in the jumble words. I will give you 10 points if you are correct. This is the jumble words number 1. Dioxide, carbon. What is the correct word if you combine the two jumble words? This is the dioxide, carbon. Anyone, class? Please raise your right hand if you know the correct word. Miss Rebecca, please answer correctly. I will give you 10 points. What is the correct word if you correct or combine the two jumble words? Rebecca, what is your answer? Very good. The correct word is carbon dioxide. Class, the correct word carbon dioxide. You have 10 points, Rebecca. Now, let's proceed to jumble words number 2. This is synthesis photo. Class, if you know the answer, please raise your right hand and I will give you 10 points. Photosynthesis is the first jumble words and his partner is photo. What is the correct jumble words or the correct name and the two jumble words if you combine? Please raise your right hand if you know the answer. Mark, you raise your right hand. Please answer correctly. Mark. Photosynthesis is correct. You have 10 points, Mark. Congratulations. Now, let's proceed to our jumble words number 3. This is mata and stomach. If you combine the two jumble words, what is the correct answer? Angelo, you raise your right hand. Angelo, what is the correct jumble words? Stomata is correct. Very good, Angela. Now, let's proceed to our jumble words number 4. This jumble words number 4 is gen, oxy. If you know the answer, Ryan, you have 10 points. What is the two jumble words if you combine in one word? And Ryan, what is your correct answer? Oxygen is very good. You have 10 points. Now let's proceed to our fifth jumble words. This is G and Nr. Miss Ruana, what is your answer? If you combine the two jumble words, G and Nr, Miss Ruana, energy is correct. You have a good answer. Now let's proceed to our last jumble words. This is the fel and claro. Anyone, raise your right hand if you know the answer. Leonard, please raise your right. Please answer this. Fel and chloro. If you combine the words, the correct answer is chlorophyll. Very good, Leonard. Now, please clap your right hands because you have the right answer. Very good, class. Now, let's proceed to our lesson. Our lesson is all about photosynthesis. Before we start, any idea what is photosynthesis? Angelo, what is your idea about photosynthesis? You have idea? Very good, Angelo. Photosynthesis ay paghahanda or pagluluto ng pagkain ang tawag. Very good. Before we start, let's explain our objective. Our objective for today is explain what is photosynthesis. Number 2, state the importance of photosynthesis in the plants. And last, recognize the function and purpose in making photosynthesis. Now, let's proceed. Photosynthesis is the process of food making which the plants are making their own foods using by the sunlight, the oxygen also, and the last is the nutrients or minerals from the soil. Also, the importance of making photosynthesis is our carbon dioxide that are exhaled in our life. Let's proceed to the chlorophyll. Class, what is the chlorophyll? Ito yung makikita sa dahon. Any idea, Rebecca? What is chlorophyll? Very good. Chlorophyll is a green color pigment present in leaves. Helps plant in absorbing energy of light. Ang dahon ay mayroong kulay green na tinatawag na chlorophyll. Ito yung makikita mo sa dahon at malalaman mo agad sapagkat ito ay color green. The green pigment in the plant present in leaves help plant in absorbing energy of light. Now, let's proceed to stomata. What is stomata? Any idea, Mark? You raise your right hand. I think you have an idea. What is stomata? Very good, Mark. Stomata is the breathing organs of plants. Dito ang tinatawag na hininga ng mga halaman sapagkat ito yung naglalabas at nagpapasok ng hangin upang sila ay mabuhay. Stomata ang tawag dito. Ang nilalabas ng stomata ay hangin at maaring ito ay ang oxygen na ating hinihinga at ang kanyang kinukuha mula naman sa tao na hangin at mula din sa mga hayop ay tinatawag na carbon dioxide o ang maruming hangin na siyang ginagamit nila sa kanilang pagluluto ng pagkain. Understand? Very good, class. Now, let's proceed to the lights. What is the purpose of the lights in photosynthesis? Anyone? Ano ang inyong nalalaman? kapag mayroong liwanag? Ano ang silbi nito sa atin? Sa pang-araw-araw nating ginagawa. Kung meron itong silbi sa atin, meron din itong silbi sa mga halaman. Ano ito? Sunshine? Very good. Sunshine. Lights gives energy. Nagbibigay lakas. Nagbibigay sigla at siyang dahilan upang magkaroon ng liwanag at lakas ang mga halaman. Energy comes from the light. Very good, class. Now let's proceed to glucose. What is the glucose? Saan ito nagmula? In one, please raise your right hand if you know the answer. What is glucose? Jason, you raise your right hand. What is glucose? Very good, Jason. Glucose is a product of photosynthesis. Ang tawag sa kanilang pagkain na ihanda o niluto ay glucose or starch. Ito ay tinatawag sa atin na pagkain. Maraming tawag dito. Kaya dapat nating pahalagahan sapagkat glucose ay ang pagkain ng mga halaman. Naiintindihan ba, class? Very good. Glucose or starch or foods produced by photosynthesis. This is stored within plants. Oxygen is a product also of photosynthesis. Very good, class. Naiintindihan ba? Dahil naiintindihan nyo, meron tayong maigsing katanungan. Kapag malaman nyo ang sagot, meron kayong another 15 points. Understood? You have 2 minutes to recap our lesson and be ready to the question. Okay, class? Now, let's proceed to our second activity, the question and answer. If you know the answer, please raise your right hand again and I will give you 15 points. Now, let's proceed to our question number 1. Anyone, please raise your right hand if you know the answer. Angelo. This is the question number 1. What is photosynthesis? Angelo, what is photosynthesis? Very good, Angelo. Photosynthesis, plants make their food using sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and nutrients, minerals from the soil. This process is called photosynthesis. Very good, class. Now let's proceed to question number 2. What is chlorophyll? Angela, you raise your right hand. What is chlorophyll? Very good, Angela. Chlorophyll is a green color pigment present in leaves, helps plant in absorbing energy of light. Naintindihan ba, class? Now, let's proceed to question number 3. If you know the right answer, please raise your right hand. This is the question number 3. What is stomata? Junjun, what is stomata? Very good, Junjun. Stomata, class, is the breathing organs of the plants. Very good. Now let's proceed to question number 4. Rebecca, you raise your right hand. Give me the 3 important things that use in making photosynthesis. Give me 3 important things only, Rebecca. Very good, Rebecca. The 3 important things used in photosynthesis are the following: the sunlight, the carbon dioxide, and the water. Very good, Rebecca. Now, let's proceed to another question. Question Angelo. The question is, what do you call the produce or foods by photosynthesis? Ano ang tawag sa pagkain na gawa ng photosynthesis? Very good. Glucose or starch is correct. Now, class, very good. Please clap your right hand because you do a good job to answer all the questions. Thank you, class, and good morning. Before we end our class, let's give you an assignment. 20